So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to get pre-qualified for a mortgage here on Redfin. So once Redfin is opened up, I want you to go ahead here and just go to the top or right here to where it says mortgage. You can go ahead here and select mortgage right here, and then go to where it says get pre-qualified, and then go ahead and press on that. It'll then redirect you to a new page right here. So where you are, where are you in your home buying journey? So if you're looking, for example, just looking for homes right here, you'd like to buy within the next 2 or 3 months, for example, you can go ahead and press on continue. Once you're here, it's going to basically ask you a bunch of different questions, personal info, finances, credit info, etc. You can also go ahead and chat with an expert. Then once all that is done, it'll help you guys in regards to the process of getting pre-qualified for a mortgage, which is an essential part of the home buying process. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can get pre-qualified for a mortgage here on Redfin with the help of Rocket Mortgage. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.